Hello to all! This is an introduction of my class where I will be teaching the very basics for absolute beginners, kids and adults. In these upcoming classes we will be learning about reading and writing the notes and locating them on the piano. Also, I'll give you tips and tricks about how remembering this better and learning it faster. Everyone should have a basic understanding of reading and writing the music notes. If you want to be learning an instrument, then it's essential for you to know the basics in order to be able to move forward. It doesn't matter if you want to be a professional musician or not. If you just want to start learning an instrument, you need to invest a lot of time and effort to master the basics from the start. The music notes are like the letters of the alphabet for someone who's learning a new language. If you know how to read music notes, then you can play many different pieces on your instrument, and that helps you develop your musical understanding and your skill on your instrument. This being said, do not forget in the upcoming videos when I'm suggesting for you to grab a piece of paper to write something or go to the piano keys and press the keys, do not forget to follow my instructions and actually do this. Because only when we do something, when we experience a matter from different perspectives, only then can we actually digest that knowledge. Learning an instrument is a process that requires devotion, regular practice every day with your instrument. But also, it's a great deal of fun and connecting you to your creativity. Everyone has the capacity to learn music, and I firmly believe that we are all born creative and very capable. When you go through this process now with me, do not forget, don't push yourself, take it a step at a time, do not compare yourself with others, because this is your process and each one of us has a different way of learning things. My goal with these upcoming pre-recorded videos is to give a small introduction to the ones who are curious about music but have never given it a try. If you would like to learn one-on-one with me, because learning with a mentor who individualizes the content of a class is a different experience, be also very welcome to contact me. Down below you can find my website and Instagram. These classes would be entirely free and accessible to everyone. If you want to support me, appreciate my work and effort of sharing this material and creating it, be welcome to make a donation using the link down below. If the title of the video sounds interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you can be notified for the first video of this class. The very basics of the notes on the piano for absolute beginners.